Hello and welcome to a workshop update. As you can see, we have a workshop. Still no electric, needs a lot of stuff still sorting, but it's certainly better than working outside. Mainly I've been concentrating on my Morris 8 project in between work. As you can see, she's very roughly mocked up here, just sat on the floor really. It's going to be channeled by about 4 inches, 5 inches. Roof drop, we're going to see about that at a later date once she's a rolling thing. Going to be powered by this Rover V8. I have a Meadows 40D, not 40D, 40CA, which is the marine version. But really deep down, if I'm building a hot rod, I want it to be a V8. I've always wanted a V8 hot rod, so it's got to be done. I had a Rover V8 kicking around, so I think I'll use that for now. In fairly good condition. And then ideal word, flathead V8 for 8BA, something like that. Cross plies all around. 670s on the rear, 525s on the front, by 16s. All the running gear's been pretty much restored. I'm going to use the Morris 8 back axle initially just to get it rolling. I really don't know how much power it'll handle. It's similar to the Model A axle diameter, I think. I think Model A's are 1 inch half shafts, and this is 3/4. So I will have to baby it, but we'll see. Let's just get it rolling really. And I've been concentrating on the chassis repairs. Chassis was okay, but I had lots of strange repairs in the past. Quite a lot of which I cut out. Some of the better ones I've left in. But as you can see, it is starting to go in a few places. So there's there, and then I've cut out. There was a very dodgy box plate in running along here, but I cut that out because that was not the best at all. I've had water jet cut, no laser cut even, these box plates, which I'm just starting to get tacked in. Obviously having no electric here at the minute, I'm running everything on a generator, which is ridiculously loud, so I'd rather just get it tacked in for now until I get electric in. As you can see, it's got some fairly horrendous old repairs going on in here, but they're so in there, I think I'm going to leave it. For some strange reason, they're not replacements. The original section's still there, so it's almost whether they were reinforcing it or something, I don't know. So it's not really helping, but it's not really doing any harm, because I've got the box section to go on the outside to run along there. Leaves are all rebuilt, painted. Again, I might end up upgrading something a bit heftier, but we're just going to see on that. Haven't really been doing a whole lot on the body. It's mainly just been sat here. Me and my mate the other day did get the roof out. So I think I'm just going to take the vinyl off, refresh the vinyl, revarnish the wood battens, because they're in not too bad a condition. And then you can go back in. Windscreen's taken out, got the brackets out. They're all seized up, and I really want to keep the fold out windscreen. So that's the mission, to unseize those. I'm hoping to do another update in about a week or so, because I should have electric, then I can have the grip blaster going, and grip blast the wheels, get the remaining wheels painted, the tyres on. Chassis at that point will start to be nearly done, so I think it can become a roller, and I can start to brace the body and cut bits out to channel it. And that's when the really exciting stuff should happen. So yeah, I'll keep you all posted. In the meantime, I suppose I better do some actual work. to pay the bills and whatnot. This one I wax all with the whole underside. She's had some previous repairs done, so I'm going to be redoing these just to tidy them up a little. So that's where we stand at the minute. Cool. Thank you for watching. As you can tell, I have no clue what I'm doing with these vlogs. Never really done one. Tried one or two in the past, but I always think I sound like an idiot, so I don't really bother. But here we go. If you enjoy these, just let me know. I'll try and keep doing them. Yeah, and that'll do it. Sweet. Thank you.